This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Lynn Johnson. Charming ranch-style home in a prime location. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers a bright and open floor plan with soaring cathedral ceilings that create a spacious, airy feel. Featuring no carpet for easy maintenance, the home has been thoughtfully updated with a newer roof and HVAC system for peace of mind. Enjoy privacy and outdoor living in the fully fenced backyard. A must-see for those seeking comfort and convenience. For more information, review the details below or contact Lynn Johnson at 865-693-1111.